Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Newborn story. Let's be see about a small story. In front of the park, there was a little boy named Jack who loved to play outside in the woods near his house. One day, while playing, Jack came across a little bird with a broken wing. Feeling sorry for the bird, Jack wanted to help. He knew he should not touch the bird with his hand, as it might scare it or hurt it even more. So he ran back to his house and grabbed a small box and a towel. Jack carefully scooped up the bird with the towel and gently placed it in the box. He then brought the box inside and called his mother for help. Together, they looked up a local animal rescue center and called them for advice. The rescue center gave Jack and his mother instructions on how to care for the bird until they could bring it to the center. They were told to keep the box in a quiet and warm place and to offer the bird some water and seeds. For the next few days, Jack and his mother took turns caring for the bird, making sure it was comfortable and had everything it needed. Finally, the day arrived when they could take the bird to the rescue center. At the center, they met with a veterinarian who examined the bird and thanked Jack and his mother for bringing it in. The veterinarian explained that the bird would need some time to recover, but with proper care, it would eventually be able to fly again. Jack was overjoyed to hear the news and felt proud of himself for helping the little bird. From the day on, he promised himself that he would always do his best to protect and care for all animals, big and small. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.